So once you're into the Square Register app, the first thing you're going to want to do in the morning is open a new cash drawer. So the first thing you would do is actually count the cash that's in the drawer, and then you will go over to the main menu by hitting the three lines at the lower left corner, and then go into reports. You'll see it says sales, current drawer, drawer history. We're going to select current drawer, and where it says starting cash, it says 0. We're going to enter the actual amount of cash in the drawer. So let's say it's a typical amount of 178.36. You would enter the actual amount. You click Start Drawer, confirm Start Drawer, and then at this time you will, where it says Enter Optional Description, you put your ID with the initials. So it would be the ID number. I will enter mine with my initials here. And you do not, the end drawer is what we're going to do at the end of the day. Here, I'm going to click back on the white to get out of this keyboard. It's not doing, okay. I hit return and that got me out of the keyboard. So as you'll see, the start of drawer will show, if you look in the middle of the page, it says start of drawer. It will have the date and the time. This is, you want to do this before the open of the store or whatever your shift is. And then at the end of the day, it's going to record the end of your shift when you do the end drawer. So that's just how you start the drawer. And we will be talking about other elements on this page in other videos. But that is the first thing you need to do in the morning, is open a new drawer.